Hi. In this episode of FUM0143 Machining we are making the brake system for this quill holder. And I have already started, so please jump along. So I have already cut one slit, one cut here. It's about 10 millimeters deep. And this is to create a flexion here. So now I need to straighten this up, and this is quite simple in this machine. Well, let's make some room here first, see that I don't break anything, and then loosen this one. Okay, and now this is the indexing system. When you rotate it like that, you can find, okay, there is it. It is now indexed in 0 degrees, I believe. Okay. There you are. Okay, and now, loosen the brake, this index. Okay, rotate it to this kind of position, about there. This should be 0, yeah, and then pull it in somewhat. Oh, this index nice to about suitable place, I believe. Where is a suitable place? Okay, that is midway, so maybe somewhere there. Okay. Then let's put this indexing on that and then brake. There you are. Okay, now it's straight, and now what we need to do next is to measure. No, not measure. I will use some minute. That's inches. I don't like that. Okay, that's millimeters. So just the place where this side should go on. Okay, let's put it a little bit nearer. Okay. Then bring this near as well. And this is not critical measure. It just needs to be enough. Okay. Now that's about the correct place. Okay. Let's put it there. Next step, touching the surface. Well, there will be a slit anyway, so I can do it like this. Let's put it. There you are. It's touching. And now, how deep? Doesn't need to be exact, just to be enough. That's about the correct place. Yeah. So it is 21 millimeters. 21 divided by 1.5 equals to 14. Oh. Now I'm going to count in Finnish. Let's see that we have enough room here, because it will go down quite a bit. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 ja 14. So, that. And now, this is going to be a very musical operation. I don't want to use coolant here, because it will only make things worse. I have noticed when I tried to use coolant with that one, didn't make any difference at all. So now we just need to check that everything is locked. Everything is locked. And then we can start slitting. Let's see what kind of music do we have here. should. Okay, I will put you on another camera angle so you will see better. So, now when I have slotted this, this is now supposedly flexing. So what I will put here is 3 M8 set screws, so that I can tighten it, and this is supposed to squeeze into the dovetail. But this might be too stiff. But if it is too stiff, I just make these slots a little bit longer, and it's no more that stiff. So this is a 4mm drill. I will first do 4mm holes here. That's a good one. And now 6.5mm. Which is the tapping size for M8. And now there is no depth stop, so I should be a little bit careful with this one. Feel when it's gone through. Let's see now. There you are. Wow. Okay. Okay, and now okay, this should take care of that. Hopefully this is big enough, small enough, I mean. Oh. Yeah, there you are. Did I succeed with this one? Yes, I did. It slides freely now, but I have borrowed from one of my tool holders these 3 M8 set screws here. I will actually use the same type because I always have the tool nearby here. So, let's first try how. Well, of course, these shouldn't be too tight, too stiff. So I just with my thumb, not yet, but this is only one, remember, we have 3. Now it's already stuck. So you can really tighten with one only. So, and if I do 3, it will be really tight, doesn't move at all. Yeah, and now it's solid. This one is really successful, and I don't need to make it any more flexible than it is. It's really okay now. And so the next in the next episode of FUM0143 machining, what we will be making is a top part here, because if you look, you can see that well, it's the quill is 35 millimeters in diameter. So well, should I machine the other half first and then the other one? That would be a very interesting thing to do. But no, I will machine top part here, and then I make them compatible with each other, grinding based and making. And one more thing, it shall not be like horizontal. It shall be a little bit tilted to some way, and the reason for that one is hand reamer. I will finish the bore for the quill with a hand reamer, and if we have this vertical seam inside the tube, the blades of that hand reamer will grip into those and it's impossible to ream it. So therefore, if it is tilted even so slightly, that will mitigate that problem. That will be in the next episode of FUM0143 machining. Till then, bye!